9 foods to fight fatigue and headaches. 1. Oatmeal to fight fatigue. Considered to be one of the most complete and healthy cereals, oatmeal is a great choice for maintaining good physical and mental performance. Oatmeal is an energy food that contains several vitamins and minerals that benefit your circulation, heart health, and metabolism. It's recommended that you eat it for breakfast so that the nutrients it contains can be utilized throughout the day. However, oatmeal is also convenient when you feel hunger pangs or when you are craving a quick snack. 2. Nuts. Nuts are packed with calories that increase your energy and vitality. They contain B-complex vitamins and essential fatty acids that help your nervous system, your brain, and improve your cardiovascular health. Eating a small handful of nuts every day is a good way to keep you feeling satisfied and free from ailments like headaches and muscle tension. Consuming nuts in healthy moderation can also improve your physical performance. 3. Milk. Drinking milk can help fight fatigue and pain due to its content of tryptophan. Milk stimulates the release of serotonin in the brain, which increases your feeling of well-being and improves your mood. 4. Chocolate. Eating 20 to 30 grams of chocolate during the day is a good way to improve your mood and energy levels because it contains fat, carbohydrates, and a lot of calories. Most importantly, chocolate is also a healthy source of antioxidants, substances that slow the process of cellular aging. 5. Flaxseed and chia. Both flaxseed and chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and minerals that provide energy. Add them to your smoothies, oatmeal, breads, and other foods to enjoy their benefits throughout the day. 6. Lentils. Classified as the most healthy legumes, lentils are an important source of complex carbohydrates, iron, protein, and other important nutrients to fight excess fatigue. You can make lentils with soups, add them to salads, or incorporate them into cakes and countless other healthy recipes. 7. Bananas. While it was once believed that this fruit would make you fat, it has been proven that the properties of bananas are great for both weight loss and general health. They contain slightly more carbohydrates compared to other fruits and are considered to be one of the most effective and tasty natural sources of energy. Best of all, bananas also contain tryptophan, the amino acid that promotes the release of serotonin in the brain. 8. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables should be a part of all types of balanced diets. Their green color is due to their content of chlorophyll, a substance with numerous health benefits. They contain few calories and have high energy values, packing large amounts of vitamins A, C, B, E and K. Leafy greens also contain a significant amount of iron, magnesium, and potassium, which are 3 minerals essential for improving physical performance. 9. Lean meats. Lean meats contain less fat and are an important source of carbohydrates and protein. Their consumption is essential for maintaining muscle mass and improving mental and physical productivity. They provide an essential amino acid known as tyrosine, which is related to concentration and alertness. They also contain vitamin B12, a nutrient that fights depression and the symptoms of fatigue. Remember that these 9 foods are mere sources of nutrients in your diet, and not a cure-all for headaches and fatigue. Eat them on a regular basis to fight fatigue and headaches. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.